Have you ever wondered what free chlorine is? It's a key player in keeping our water safe and clean. Free chlorine refers to the amount of chlorine available to disinfect water. This includes chlorine in forms like hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite ions. According to the EPA, free chlorine is essential for killing harmful bacteria and viruses. Why is free chlorine important? It acts quickly to neutralize pathogens, making water safe for drinking and swimming. The CDC reports that maintaining proper free chlorine levels reduces waterborne illnesses significantly. For example, public pools monitor free chlorine to prevent outbreaks. Without adequate free chlorine, bacteria like E. coli can thrive. This highlights why constant monitoring is critical. In summary, free chlorine is a vital disinfectant in water treatment. It protects public health by eliminating harmful microbes. Understanding this helps us appreciate the science behind safe water.